for nurses, when you've had to go home and explain to your kids why you're late, why not you're not able to celebrate their birthdays, or even explain to your elderly family members that why you can't eat at the same table as them, because must be difficult. I know it's all healthcare workers find so difficult to drink water, eat, or a snack with their PPE kits. You see, Dr. KK Agrawal, in solidarity, he himself has come on a PPE kit today. That is the spirit, because he is not only, he's in the room, but, in order to show that solidarity with our healthcare professionals, healthcare givers, and as somebody said, it's a doctor's day. And I have heard Dr. KK Agrawal saying that doctor is a term which is all inclusive. And I think it also reflects the nursing staff, all the healthcare workers. So it is not only doctors, but I think it's also a nursing day. It's a very important day also, because something very unconventional online training for a need-based requirement is started today. Collectively with universities and with Harkett Foundation. So it is really very heartening. It's also true that every nurse was drawn to nursing because of the desire to care, to serve, to help. Traditionally, we know that when they join the profession, we know that because they get attracted. And also these days, I don't want to shirk from saying that nurses are paid very well in government offices, and it's a big attraction that not only you get opportunity to serve the mankind, but you also compensated very well financially. Doctors prescribe medicine and treatments, but the nurses, it is the nurse who dispenses comfort, who dispenses compassion and caring without even prescription. They have no prescription. How to give that comfort and how to give that compassion and comfort to the patient. They, of course, doctor has given the prescription, but all those things which are non-tangible, which is not intangible, actually are shared by the nurses. They say that it's better to light a single candle than to curse the darkness. And that's what doctors do, the nurses do. Nurses in healthcare also must practice self-care. We know that they are at such a receiving end, and to be able to nurture the bodies, mind, and spirits of their patient, they must first nurture their own, because they look after patient. But in a bargain, sometimes we also forget that we also have to look after ourselves. Nursing is a challenging profession, and even a simple day stress is significant and needs to be dealt with, because they're always under great stress, because where life is involved, obviously the stress is equally important. But not all the stress is bad. The good kind of stress pushes us to save ourselves and others. The good stress keeps us motivated and alert on worse days. Even every living biological life form has this kind of stress that allows that life form to go on and be productive. For a nurse, the list of stresses can be very, very long. I believe in order to cope with all these stresses, we have in our lives, we have to be strong in mind, body, and spirit, as we just said, that we have to nurture ourselves every single day. Do find your balance physically, mentally, and spiritually. You are so busy taking care of other people. I think we do not take very good care of ourselves. So this is a lesson that we should all be taking. Another part of our life of the nurses that we have to keep in balance is our mental selves. I think we all need to nudge or take time every day for mental rest, as we live in a very chaotic world. When you find your balance, you rejuvenate your life spiritually. Our lives do get way out of balance when we are always juggling balls of responsibility, because you have so many things to juggle around day in and day out. You know what Mother Teresa said, that she said that I cannot do great things, but I can do only small things with a great love. And that's what most nurses do, that they do things with a lot of love and a lot of passion. Caregivers do more than any other group on the earth to truly ease the suffering of the world. For every hand you have held, for every paper you have pushed, for every life you have touched, for every candle you have lit, we thank you. We thank you, nursing officers. While you might think your part is small and ordinary, you are helping to make an extraordinary difference in this world. You, dear colleagues, are our true heroes, the warriors in a true sense. I appreciate all of those who have designed this program and the faculty who's arranging it, executing it. You are all so accomplished and able. You know, nurses are so much able and so much accomplished. This is only a value addition. This 3-day training is just value adding it and enriching you further. Wishing you all the very best in all your endeavors. And again, appreciate Dr. K.K. Agarwal, Dr. K.K. Kalada, Manju Chugani, and some of the other dear colleagues which I'm seeing here on the on the webinar here on the video conferencing for all their help and all their solidarity with the program. I'm very sure this will prove to be a milestone in the nursing care in times to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Mahesh Verma. What a better way to thank the noble profession. Nurses yet are very important. They play a very important role for the upliftment of this profession. I would now like to